Good evening. Welcome to Đồng Nai Radio and Television Station. Here is the news today. The first one is local news. During the government conference with the 63 provinces and the country recently, Prime Minister Phạm Minh Chính asked to change the priority policy on vaccine. Accordingly, localities across the country need to share and prioritize vaccine for Ho Chi Minh City, Hanoi and some provinces with many industrial parks, such as Đồng Nai, Bình Dương, Long An. The Prime Minister assigned the National Steering Committee and the Ministry of Health specialized agencies calculate specific priority level according to the situation and the supply capacity. The Prime Minister also asked ministry and sector to be more drastic in implementing the vaccine strategy, especially by promoting vaccination diplomacy and public-private cooperation to buy as quickly as possible, organize timely, effective, and safe instructions so as not to waste vaccine and time, simplify administrative procedure to focus on fast, strong, and timely promotion of vaccine research, transfer, production, and recognition in the country to be able to master this problem. Encourage units to research, import, and manufacture drugs for the prevention and control of epidemic. The People Committee of Biên Hòa City recently coordinated with the Medical Center of Biên Hòa City and the Bishop House of Xuân Lộc Diocese to have a meeting and agree on the allocation of support for the front line in the fight against the COVID-19 epidemic. 57 monks from the Dominican Sister of Tam Hiệp, the Dominican Order of the Thánh Tâm, and Sister of Jesus Christ, and the Xuân Lộc Diocese Congregation of the Lover of Holy Cross have registered to volunteer to support the city health sector. These volunteers will participate in serving at medical isolation areas, taking samples for testing. Before that, the monks were vaccinated against COVID-19, taking samples for rapid test screening and training in infection prevention procedure in the isolation area. From the beginning of the year until now, the total number of newly established enterprises and the reoperated enterprise is over 105,000. On average, nearly 15,000 new businesses are newly established and return to operation every month. These numbers show the perseverance and great effort of the business community in the face of the devastation of COVID-19. That effort badly created export results in the past 7 months. Export turnover of goods is estimated at over 185 billion USD, up over 25% over the same period in 2020. However, to maintain export momentum in the next 7 months, the current situation is not easy. For example, in the textile and garment industry, production orders in the South are stalled because of the epidemic. On August 1st, U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken said that the United States believes Iran's irresponsibility for the attack on the Merced Street tanker that killed 2 people. Earlier, Britain and Israel said they believe it was likely that Tehran was behind the incident. In a statement, Blinken said that after reviewing available information, the U.S. believes Iran carried out the attack using an UAV carrying explosives. According to Mr. Blinken, the U.S. is working with allies to consider the next step. Earlier on the same day, British Foreign Secretary Dominic Raab said London believed that it was likely that Tehran was behind the attack. Israeli Prime Minister Naftali Bennett said Israel keeps serious evidence proving Iran was behind the attack and warned Israel could send a message in retaliation. Iran's foreign minister has condemned Israel's accusation, which Tehran considered baseless. On August 1st, hackers attacked and crashed the information technology system of the company that managed COVID-19 vaccination appointments for the area of Lazio around Rome, Italy. On Facebook, the regional government said that Hackers were attacking the database of the region, causing the entire system to be shut down, including those of the health portal and the vaccination network program in the region, and warned that vaccination programs could be delayed. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you later.